let us continue with our methods of preparations of phenols. The fourth method that we have involves cumene and the fifth one involves aniline. We have already seen the first three methods of preparation of phenols, that is by Dow's process, by Rastich's process, and from benzene sulfonic acid. It is time to move on to the preparation of phenols from cumene. Now, preparation of phenols from cumene is also the commercial method. The first step involves oxidation of cumene, which is isopropyl benzene. So we have the isopropyl group here and benzene. This is reacted with oxygen in the presence of cobalt naphthenate and dilute NO2CO3 at 403 Kelvin. Now O2 can be written as O double bond O. Here we result as a bond between H and O and between C and O. As a result, we get a bond like C, O single bond O, H. This is called as cumene hydroperoxide. The second step involves preparation of phenol from cumene hydroperoxide. The cumene hydroperoxide, when treated with dilute H2SO4, it results in the breaking of the OO bond, giving us acetone, and we also get phenol. The reason that this method is the commercial method is because our required product is phenol, and the byproduct that we get, acetone, is also a valuable byproduct. It also has market or industrial value. Hence, this involves all in all industrial profit. Hence, it is the commercial method. Moving on to the last one, that is preparation of phenols from aniline, which is called as diazotization method. In the first step, we take phenylamine, that is aniline. It is when treated with NaNO2 and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin, that is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Now NaNO2 and HCl react to produce HNO2, which is nitrous acid. Mind you, nitrous acid is unstable and cannot be stored. It has to be prepared in situ while the reaction is on, and this reaction does not take place at any other temperature other than 0 to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 to 278 Kelvin. Here the method that takes place is called as diazotization. That means a diazo group is produced. So what is the diazo group? A diazo group is this. The N2 group is called as the diazo group, and the product that we get is called as benzene diazonium chloride. In the second step, we take this benzene diazonium chloride and treat it with dilute H2SO4. Now since the solution is dilute, it contains water. Now Cl is taken away by H to form HCl, and N2 is lost in the form of N2 gas. And lastly, we have the formation of OH on benzene, resulting in the formation of phenol. So these were all the methods of preparation of phenols, and in this module we learned how do we prepare them from cumene, which is the commercial method, and lastly by diazotization of aniline. So this was all about the methods of preparation of phenols.